Question 3 of this exercise says, find the area of the shaded region in figure if ABCD is a square of side 14 cm and APD and BPC are semicircles. So to find the area of the shaded region, we can find the area of a square. The side of the square is given, and it is also given that APD and BPC are semicircles. So we can find the area of the semicircle, and when we subtract them, we will get the area of the shaded region. So let's find the area of the square. We know that the area of a square is basically side square, and the length of the side is given, that is 14 centimeter. So it will be square of 14, or we can say 14 multiplied by 14, and on solving this we'll get 196 square centimeter. That is the area of the square. Now let's find the area of semicircles. So as we can see that semicircle APD and BPC are having the same diameter. AD and BC, they are same 14 centimeter, so they'll have same area. So what we can do, we can simply double their area to find the area of the semicircle. So it will be 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 pi r square. So if we solve it, we'll get basically pi r square, and pi is 22 divided by 7. We'll take the radius as 14 is the diameter, so it will be 14 by 2, which is same as 7 square. So we'll get the area of both the semicircles as 154 square centimeter. So we have got the area of a square, that is 196 square centimeter, and we have the area of semicircles, that is 154 square centimeter, and on subtracting them we'll get the area of the shaded region. So let's subtract them. So on subtracting we'll get the area as 42 square centimeter. So that is the shaded area.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.